You can't do it because
do
you're
it.
laughing too much. We have night vision on that thing? Ew.
Do it again.
The next time Emma does it, it's the first thing that leaves her butt when she farts in front of someone. You're so rude. You just farted in front of people.
Oh shit, Emily's awake.